Night slowly draws its veil over the world. One by one, the city lights begin to flicker, and silence seeps into the narrow alleys. I sit by the window on the second floor of an old apartment. When I part the curtain just a little, the soft night air drifts gently into the room. There's a faint scent in it, cool, yet a little sweet, as if carried from some distant memory. A small lamp glows in the room. Its milky glass shade spreads a pale light across the floor. On the wall, an old clock ticks softly. Tick, tick. The rhythm blends quietly with the beat of my heart. A faint wisp of steam rises from my cup of herbal tea. Its fragrance brings with it a slow tide of calm and drowsiness. Outside the window, a thin breeze hums against the wires, and the rustling of distant trees whispers the deepness of night. I close my eyes, and soon, the sounds begin to take shape. The wind is speaking to me, or so it feels. With a faint murmur, the wind carries words from somewhere far away, and they echo softly inside my ears. Everything is all right now. The voice reminds me of my mother's, when she used to whisper goodnight to me as a child. The air of that room, the scent of the blanket, the stillness of those nights, all return in an instant. The wind brushes through the room once more. The curtain sways gently, and the lamp's light trembles just a little. Its soft reflection ripples across the wall, like water stirred by the faintest breath. I gaze quietly at that flickering glow. Time itself seems to have stopped. The city outside is completely still. Far away, the faint sound of tires sliding over wet pavement, then silence again. I love this hour, when even voices and ticking clocks sound like distant echoes from a dream. All sounds blend softly together. The wind slips once again through the curtain's edge, and turns over the corner of a paper left on the table. It's a note I once wrote, long ago. Someday, I wish to spend a calm, peaceful night again. I had forgotten those words, scribbled in the rush of busy days. But now, wrapped in the wind like this, perhaps this is that peaceful night I once longed for. Looking down from the window, I see an old streetlight standing at the corner. Its orange glow sways in the wind, warping its circle of light. A lone cat passes beneath it, its shadow gliding across the road without a sound. The cat's tail flicks softly, and then it disappears into the dark. For some reason, I feel a quiet relief, as if something gentle is watching over the world. A small certainty kindles in my heart. The wind moves again. This time, it's a little warmer, though it carries the chill of winter. There's a hint of spring within it. Outside, The leaves brush softly against each other. Shara, Shara, a tender lullaby in sound. It feels like a faraway cradle song, played for no one in particular. I dim the lamp slightly, and rest my palm gently against my cheek. The tension slowly melts from my body. My breathing deepens, softens. The wind moves in rhythm with each breath I take. What lies beyond this wind, I wonder? Where does it come from? Where does it go? Perhaps it passes through another room, touches another person's dream, and crosses yet another night somewhere far away. Maybe even now, in this very moment, someone far away is feeling the same wind. The thought eases the loneliness of the night. Each time the wind drifts through the room, I sink a little deeper toward sleep. Sounds fade away, one by one. The ticking clock, the faint hum of the distant city, all dissolve into the breath of the wind. All that remains is gentle breathing, and a small light glowing deep within my heart. It feels like a lamp inside the soul. A light that sways with the wind, but never goes out. Holding that light close, I slowly close my eyes. The wind brushes my cheek, as if whispering, "Good night." And so, I begin to walk toward the doorway of dreams. Moonlight gently falls upon the path at my feet. A clear, endless road through the night. The sound of the wind wraps softly around my ears. Somewhere far away, a tender melody is being sung. It leads me deeper into the heart of sleep. I surrender myself to that sound. My consciousness floats gently, and the world drifts quietly away. Within the wind, I think I hear someone's voice. "You've done well." The words loosen something deep inside me. My shoulders relax, and deep sleep begins to take me. The lamp flickers once, and slowly goes out. Only the sound of the wind remains in the room. Calm, like the waves of a gentle sea, as if the world itself were quietly breathing. Even in sleep, I can still hear the wind. Soft and endless. It carries me farther and farther away. In the moonlight, and in the sound of the wind, I am finally dreaming peacefully.